Okay, so here's the first practice problem that I gave you guys. So again, we're writing equations from the graph. So this one specifically tells us to use sine. Okay, so f of x equals k plus a sine of bx minus h. Okay, so again, maximum is at 1.5, minimum's at 0.5, which means my center line is right here at 1. So I know my center line is at 1. I know my amplitude is 1/2. So k is 1, amplitude is 1/2. Okay. It says to use sine. So again, I'm going to try to keep it simple. So I'm going to use this sine wave right here. Okay. So my period, this is pi. So my period is pi, but I do not have a shift since I use that. Okay, so h is 0. So again, using this equation, period is 2 pi over b, pi, so b is 2. Now the only thing I have to take into consideration as well, because I'm using this one, is that I have a reflection as well. So this means that when I go to write my equation, my center line is at 1. That means this is going to be negative 1/2 sine of 2x. Okay? Now, if you had used a different sine wave, so say if yours had started here and you went to here, okay, that just means that you're going to have a shift, and your shift is going to be pi over 2. Okay, this is if you did it a different way. Okay, and that means that I think phase shift, if you did a phase shift, then you're going to get h over 2 equals pi over 2, which means h would be pi. So if you didn't do the reflection, yours would have been 1 plus 1/2 sine of 2x minus pi. And that's if you didn't use the reflection. Okay?